Well, hello guys. Welcome back to the Bench with Gilly here. Hello. Yes, I'm still around. Thank you guys for sticking around here and you know, looking at my videos, my channel. Sorry I've been away for a while there. Can't remember when the last one I did. I think it was late November or early November. Since then, shortly after that, I was getting ready to do upload a video, and what would you know, my computer died. Just literally poof, and everything went black. So yeah, this is going to be a channel update. Since then, I've just been watching everything on my cell phone. It's been a week now since I got my new setup going here. I got a desktop now, big screen. Did a little bit of work rearranging around the bench here. Everything looks a little better. Not so cluttered. I got more room. I can type. I got a nice big screen TV here, monitor. But yeah, I haven't been being lazy at all. I actually done working on a few kits since my computer accident there. But I did happen to lose all my videos, all my old photos and everything that I have done. The only thing I had left was what was left on my phone. I saved most of my pictures from my phone, added them to my new setup here. And like I said, this is a channel update, and I'll let you guys know I'm still around. So, I think I left you guys off with me working on a couple race cars. I finished these ones just before my computer broke down, which was pretty cool. I like the way they turned out. So yeah, take that off. Oh yeah, there we go. Scuffled up the wheels a bit, yep, did all that. Same thing with this one. Scoot that on there, scoot that over here for a while, get that out of the way, bear with me. Here's the other one. The cartoon series. Same thing with that, scuffled it up. Decals kind of cracked on me. I had to fix those before I can put them down. I'm lucky I only did one small tiny decal before I did the rest. So yeah, little future, let it sit for a couple days, did another one. Other than that, everything turned out pretty good. So that's another one I was working on. And also I did my folded wing Corsair. Wings come off. Both sides. Gently, gently. There you go. Yep. Turned out okay. The only problem is I had a little issue with my spray can rattle can. Came out spitting, and I didn't think nothing of it until afterwards, and the damn thing ate up my paint. Things were going good, just putting my last coat on, and that's what happened. Ate it up. Left a big smudge there, ate up the bottom. Oh, broke a wheel. Not good. Oh, it's kind of bent. Anywho, yeah. This turned out to be a disaster. Even though things were going pretty good. kind of sucked. It wrecked it right at the end. And after that I just lost momentum there, and then that was it. Another thing I was just finishing up was my Canadian Love. This one's the Recovery Recall one. There's supposed to be a little crane right here I'm working on. This is all ready for paint. My crane is over there sitting in the box just waiting. My wheels aren't glued in yet because I'm getting ready to paint that as well. So once I sit down and start painting, I'll give this a nice prime. So that's that one. I'll show you the box, but I don't know where I put the box. Yeah, the box is back there. So anyways, you'll see it in the next video there, and towards the end of March or first week in February. Come the new year, you're going to be seeing a lot more content from me. I'm going to sit down and start doing more of my videos and more work. And another thing I've been working on recently was my little tribute to the conflict in Ukraine. This one's going to be a Ukrainian light armored vehicle. I got some decals and a little bit of Ukrainian soldiers to go with it. So those will be all painted up in Ukrainian markings and everything. That should be coming up too in the new year. So again, I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around. I didn't forget about yous, didn't forget about my channel. It's just things happen. Computers break, electronics just give up. But rest assured, I got some more videos coming. I've been working on them since in the past week. And stay tuned for these videos. Here I'm doing the, actually I'm doing the whole thing. You're going to see the tractor trailer here with the jolly old fat guy, along with the original truck on this picture. That box is right here. That'd be the Windstar tractor trailer. So again, I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around, and again, thank you. See you guys soon.